Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Talk Podcast. This podcast is made for beginner English learners who want simple, clear, and fun English practice every day. Today, we will practice a short daily conversation about morning routines, shopping, and small talk. Let's start with a very easy greeting conversation.
Hello, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. What is your name?
My name is Tom. What is your name?
My name is Maya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Great job. Now let's move to the morning routine.
Part 2. Morning Routine.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. You?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and eat breakfast.
That's nice. I drink tea and get ready for the day.
Very good. Now let's go to the grocery store.
Part 3. At the grocery store.
Excuse me, where are the apples?
The apples are over there, next to the bananas.
Thank you. How much are they?
They are $3 per kilo.
Great. I will take 1 kilo, please.
Sure. Anything else you need?
Yes, I need milk.
Milk is in the fridge section.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Nice work. Let's continue with a friendly small talk.
Part 4. Small talk with a friend.
Hi, what are your plans for today?
I'm going to the park. How about you?
I'm doing some work, and after that, I'll watch a movie.
That sounds enjoyable.
What do you normally do on weekends?
I spend time with my family or meet my friends. Sometimes I try cooking new dishes.
Oh, what food do you like to cook?
I like to cook rice, fish, and vegetables.
That's nice. Maybe one day you can teach me.
Sure, I'd love to.
Ending.
Great job, everyone. You finished today's 12-minute daily English conversation practice. Remember, practicing a little each day helps you speak more confidently. Thank you for tuning in to the Easy English Daily Podcast. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.